Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show inline comments in Wattpad application. So how to show inline comments in Wattpad application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Wattpad app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Wattpad app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the Settings menu at the top right of the screen. Tap Reading Preferences. Tap Inline Comments. So that's it, tutorial how to show inline comments in Wattpad application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.